In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a stunning professional collage using Adobe Express. This powerful tool makes the design process incredibly simple even if you have zero prior experience with graphic design. To get started, you will need to open the Adobe Express website and use the search bar located at the top of the interface. Simply type the word collage into that bar to see a vast library of options. You can decide to start with a completely blank layout if you want full creative control, or you can select one of the many pre-made templates if you need some quick inspiration. Once your canvas is ready, the next step is to bring in your visual content. All you have to do is click on the media button located on the left side of the screen. From here, you can either upload high-resolution photos directly from your own device or browse through a massive collection of high-quality stock images provided by the platform. After your photos are uploaded, you can make everything look organized by using the Grids layout tool. This feature is a total game changer because it allows you to automatically snap your images into a clean and structured framework with just one click.